Now we have our two mixtures. Now we make the enchiladas. Go. Okay, I'm preheating the oven to 375. This video is actually sponsored by Warby. I feel like it can't be that bad. Like, could I really mess it up that bad? Maybe.
TJ Maxx right there, and check out some of their outdoor pots. Oh, I have to sneeze. No? Apologize. Check some outdoor pots, check the dog toys, and
today, as you can tell by the title, reacting to you guys' secrets. I need to sneeze. Thank you. Thank you very much. Why did I say thank you after I sneezed? Because like I've had my hormones tested. I don't have a hormone imbalance. It's just that I sneeze. Okay, love it. What do I scan? I'm actually being dead serious, mate. Tell me you sneeze. Okay, that's it for me, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I was gonna say peace, but yeah.